Hello. Today, for the second part of your workflow document, we're going to be talking about writing an equation. You're going to have a situation, and we're going to graph it, and then we're going to put it into a table, and then you're going to come up with the actual equation. So our first activity is Sherry pays the entrance fee to visit a museum, then buys souvenirs at the gift shop. The graph shows the relationship between the total amount she spends at the museum, because she had to pay an entrance fee, and the amount that she spends at the gift shop. So if we look at our independent, which is our x-axis, here it's counting by fours, and then every other would be twos. So I'm going to fill in there. And then same with the y-axis, which is the dependent. Okay, so here you can see your graph. It says the gift shop amount she spent 0. If you look at, I'm actually at the table, and the total amount is 5. So if you come to the origin and you stay at 0 and you go up, you land at 5. And that matches with your first x and y here in the table. So now we know that it costs $5 to have entrance into the museum. Now your next one says 5 and 10. So I'm going to come over to 5. And then you go up to 10, and that is right here. So how did we get from 5 to 10? We added 5. So now I'm going to say 10 plus 5. If you come to your graph and come over to 10, and you come up to 5, you are at 15. Again, on your graph, I'm going to go to 15, and you go up, and we're going to be at 20. Then you come over to 20, and you go up, and you are at 25. I'm going to draw my line. Now you can see that we were able to take the points from the graph and fill in our table. You can build your equation either from your, you take your graph and you plug it into your table, and then we'll look at what did we have to do to x to get to y. Well, we have our x, and our rule is that we added 5 each time to get to y. So x plus 5 equals y. Okay, our next one. Frank mows lawns in the summer to earn extra money. He mows 3 lawns every hour he works. So here, you have 0 and 0. He did not work, so he did not earn money. Okay, your hours is your independent, and the lawns he mowed is your dependent. Okay, in the 1 hour, I'm going to label this. Yeah, it says hours right there. 1 hour, he mowed 3 lawns. I plugged it in over there. Here's my x and my y. In 2 hours, he mowed 6 lawns. 2 is my x, 6 is my y. In 3 hours, he mowed 3 lawns. My rule is x times 3 equals y. So this would be 3x equals y. What differences do you see between the additive and the multiplicative graph? The first graph is additive and the second one is multiplicative. Okay, think about the differences that you see in the graph, and we're going to talk about this in the Zoom. When you finish this, you'll know that there is a quizzes that you can do for practice, that you will do, you need to do. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.